How to unprivate your YouTube channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can unprivate your channel. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application and go on to www.youtube.com. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Click onto your initial. From here, click onto YouTube Studio. As you do so, you will land onto this page. From your left bar, click onto Content. You will see all the videos that you have uploaded in your YouTube channel till now. Now, in order to unprivate your videos, go onto Visibility tab and click onto Publish. And just like so, this is how you unprivate your channel. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.